This car body was broken like a crack. I cut out these parts here. I'm from Finland. Take it out. Hi, I am Sami and I want to be Overlander. First, I revealed my ego. Welcome back to Wannabe Overlander YouTube channel. And now let's proceed with the installation of these Outriggers. So last episode I teared them off and now we continue. Okay, now I have tear off old parts and they looks like this. And here is something very special is this place, which they weld inside. So they should put the upper piece to inner fender later, afterwards. So they weld this part first. Or I don't know, I don't have any idea how they can weld this. But now I turn this place another side so I can reach by welding from this side. There is not much of place, but I think I can manage it. And there was also one interesting place because, as you see, they say these parts they are from all T4's from year 90 afterwards. But there was one tiny difference. This place they have some kind of bends, but this should be straight. So as you see from another side, there is this kind of different curve which I need to straightening there. So it's not easy. You have new part, but you have to make them anyway for yourself so they can fit. So now I put some welding primer in here so they don't get the rusty so quick. There's almost no corrosion protection if you don't put some primer there, because you can't go paint it inside later. Okay, so let's try to fit this part. I have made some preparations now and I think it's just the time to try to fit it in here. So it's not gonna be very easy, but what it is. Anything in your life can't be easy all the time. So let's fit these bolts here. I think it's gonna be something like this. But there is some gap here and down, so I think I need to make some first weldings after tightening that bolt. Need to welding it a little bit everywhere. I'm going to check both holes. Yeah, they are quite simple. to sound solid. There is a little bit, what is this? Some hump. Try to a little bit. Welding to upside down. I don't think so, it's gonna be nice. I'm quite sure they burn well. So I'm going to make some welds outside there. But now I'm going to bang in it a little bit. Be quite solid. How I'm going to get this together. Yeah, and it's go exactly same spot where the old one, original, was. Problem is how I can get it closed enough, or I can weld it. If it's hold, I can bang in it better. That's it for today. I don't welding today anymore. I'm finalize this tomorrow. But now it starts to holding its place, so I'm quite happy today for this one. I show you what's the difference in this specific front cross member outrigger. What is different in this model? So you see the gap there. I try to put my thing there, and this area needs to be straight here. So I need to go banging that place to straight. Another side I'm already done, and it should be like this. So you can see it's going straight there. I have to a little bit more welding it, and it's about like this. Now I need to make this area to straight. So I start it. So let's try to put it in vise. This looks very brutal. You don't have lots of choice. This is better hammer. So it starts getting shape slowly. Okay, let's go back to here. And then there is the one thing, it's going to coming out like this. I think we need to put it in the vise again. It is not very nice, but it starts to getting there. Start to getting there. There is also this kind of lid inside here, and it's not possible to weld in the car because they weld it from inside. So there's no any access to this place. So another side I'm already turned this lid in this side, so I can have tiny access to weld it together from here. So that's the only way to how I can manage that. So I just need to bend this one. First I need to take a little bit color here, because I don't have access there later. So that's the only way to handle that place. So now I can go to fit it. I make this very nice sheet metal pads. So I need to put it now here. I'm definitely forget to drill there a couple of holes, but it's not too late now. Yeah, that's it. Okay, then more banging. Might be fine. If these are too up, I cannot put the windshield washer tank here or air filter or anything, so they should be about right level. Yeah, now I'm going to grinding those places and cleaning them, and then we can check if we need to make some spot welds more, but I think they are start to be fine. This area where you remember this car body was broken, like a crack. I cut out these parts here, and behind it's looking like this. I opened this metal here a little bit up, and I cut the 1.5 millimeter sheet metal piece here. I'm bending it in the shape and welding it under there, and then put it this back here. So now this place is not cracked anymore. It's not looking very nice here, but if I put the body seal here and some stone chip protection, I don't put any Bondo to this car, then it's kind of looking okay. Now I put some welding primer, and then I have here a few more places, here and this one. Okay, I show you what I have on other side. Yesterday I repaired this corner. I just cut the small sheet metal under there, and cannot see, but on another side where it was cracked, I repaired it similar thicker metal here, which goes this side, so it's not cracked anymore. I have two last bigger patches to make, and I do this style to here. I'm gonna put it inside here because here is a hole behind. I can hold this into place, and I'm going to weld it here. And this is really not rusty, but someone grinding with this angle grinder, grinding it very thin, and that's why it get rust. And this special spats I make to fit it here. So these are going to be here. Let's weld it together. Okay, I found tin. Barry's made some tin. So that's why it was very tricky to weld it. I tried to take it now out and let's continue try to welding again. Okay, these are last places which I repaired. Do you remember this place where my mud cart fell off and some guys welded together in Mongolia? Now I repair those holes and grind off that place. Here was rusty place like this. I just make a new patch there because I don't put the putty here, so this is fine for this car. And this side I don't weld those holes. I don't know, maybe I just glue them. And here was mud flaps with the bolts here, and you see there was a quite deep corrosion. There was even holes corroded there, so I just put a little bit new metal there. Now it's okay. Another side not quite bad. So the sheet metal work is done, and now it's waiting for it. Start to took out the axles, then I start to prepare it for painting under the chassis. So that's it for this video, and thank you for watching. And don't forget, subscribe to my channel, it costs nothing. So let's put that subscribe button down below. You want to ask me, you just leave the comment down below. That's it for what. Thank you for watching and see you in next episode.